What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your salary on Glassdoor. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Glassdoor and you will see the first official website of Glassdoor. If you are new to Glassdoor, click on that website and sign in with your email and password. As you can see, this is the official link. Click on this link and sign in with your email and password. But if you already have an Glassdoor account, just simply log in and or just you can just simply click on this jobs and it will open everything like popular jobs and then all the categories and then on the top you can see the option for salaries. Click on this and now from here you can type in your job and you can type on what location do you want your job, and after that you can check the salary. I'll just simply show it to you. So as you can see, your function like I'll write for content writer and then in New York. After that, hit search. And after searching, it will show you the basic and average salaries for a content writer in New York. So as you can see here, it is written the average basic junior salary of a content writer is $72,000. And after that, you can add your experience like 0 to 1 years of experience, 1 to 3, 4 to 6. And for example, I'm writing 0 to 1. So this will show me the basic salary would be 54,000 to 96K US dollars per year, and this additional fees like 18K or 16 grand to 30 grand per year, it will fall in this range. And you can even give it a review like if the salary sounds low or correct, or is the salary very high. So this is how you can check the salaries on Glassdoor. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.